Everybody, very good morning. 22nd of July, this one. The mid of week, it may be a decider for the next few sessions based on today's ranges the Nifty and Sense is going to set. Based on the yesterday's behavior, we can observe easily that the markets was intended to be within the range of last Friday. The high of 24,367 and low of 24,099, which is only driving the Nifty within this range. A break below is mostly expected than the break above the 24,367 as per the current behavioral structure. If break below the 24,099 happens, nothing big going to be expected. Below the 24,000, the 23,900 and 23,800 and all having a strong and behavioral shift or otherwise the behavioral demand zone, we can expect some sort of buying around those levels or ranges. So nothing big is going to be in an active way we can see on the markets today also. The first initial 1 or 2 hours may be trying to hold the range of 24,000 and 24,300. Even it may get extended about continuing the range bound activities between this range or these levels. So where one can see the stock specific opportunities, not a widespread opportunities on index based trades. As yesterday, we are stating the point in a continuation basis that concentrating on index based ones may be a riskier than previous sessions, and those who want to take higher risk may try to build short or long either positions based on the levels here stated to get a less reward against the high risk you are taking. For the day, the opening can be expected in a way of cautious one, even though it is a flat in terms of points. The global markets, which are all actually signaling in a mixed way, some regions have a positive one and some of the US based Dow Jones and all having a weaker, that too with a flat manner. So in spite of this mixed kind of trends, the markets may not be following the same as other global indices are indicating. Ours is based on the yesterday's behavioral continuation and based on the level and the ranges, the key date like Friday and previous Wednesday. Anyhow, the 8th July's high and low, that is predominantly acting till now without giving a path or opening the door for either side of a range break. That to be minded, and that also we have discussed in few occasions, that can be reminded and have a note on that particular range, and once it breaks the either side, what the things and all will be moving for the Nifty and all already discussed. From a positional aspect, one can see as long as the Nifty is holding 23,700, the buy and dips can be deployed where it is really approaching that particular zone, and near to the 24,500 to 24,700 exactly between this range, a sell on rise can be deployed or approached for the purpose of building shorts buying put options. Like until then, it is trading or swinging between these 23,700 and 24,700. Both these strategies can be utilized, and one can enjoy benefiting at least 100 to 200 points of a rally on either side. On sectors front, one can see stock specific activities amongst the sectors we have mentioned here that are all actually bank and finance, real estate oriented stocks, automobile. The attempt by the automobile stock, as we have discussed yesterday about the 3-wheeler and 2-wheeler maker Bajaj Auto and its result outcome. Then the TVS Motor, better result it has announced That too likely to continue the trend for the day with a consolidation now and then. That may be driving the index along with the Maruti Suzuki and Eicher Motors as a stock one can focus. Under Siemens, we have added Siemens as a new sector here, which are not actually in focus for these days and now started. Recent 1 week it has been cooking well. So the Siemens stocks can be in focus. Chemicals, the first time we have added this chemical as a sector watch, even though it is not a core one, which is only now participating when compared to the large cap or other core sectors. So the chemicals may be in focus today. The final one, pharma and healthcare, that may be given higher priority to focus and build the positions. Along with the sectors, the stocks which are not having quarterly earnings based news, that includes Bajaj Automobiles, Bandhan Banks, JSW Infrastructure, M&M Financial Services, Adani Total Gas, MedPlus Health Services, Anand Raj, that is based on scheme of amalgamation news. Trident are the stocks the day trader can focus today. Today's earnings includes the companies like Dr. Reddy Laboratories, Nestle India, IndusInd Bank, Eternal, Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited and Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited, JSW Energy, Adani Green Energy, Adani Power, NTPC Green Energy, HEG, Tata Communications, Nippon Life Asset, India Asset Management Company, UTI Asset Management Company, UCO Bank, CSB, Catholic Syrian Bank, United Spirits, Vary Renewable Technologies are the companies which are not expected to release their quarterly earnings for the June ended quarter. Ensure maintaining a strict or concrete stop loss across transactions. So that's it for the day in terms of pre-market outlook oriented discussion. There is a query regarding Punjab National Bank asking short-term targets. See, Punjab National Bank, after witnessing great results in terms of quarterly announcements, which is expected to utilize any retracement like yesterday's one happening until it is having 110 as the bottom or support. One can utilize this kind of retracement to enter freshly or accumulate further. The target may be as an immediate one can see 118 as the target. So that can be utilized to book the profit, whether it is having a chance to reach 118. If not, one can hold further. So that's it from today's discussion about the market outlook and the queries oriented. We can discuss the same market outlook kind of things in tomorrow's pre-market outlook session. Wishing everyone to have a fruitful day today. Thank you. Bye-bye.